welcome back to my channel, which is Remedy. You already know the title of this video. So this recipe will help you to get rid of dryness down there. It's not what I'm saying, your inner chamber, your private section. This recipe will help it will help to get rid of dryness in that area, because I understand that after giving birth to 1, 2, 3 kids, most time we are not always in the mood. So sis, you don't really need to worry, as this recipe will help you to always be in the mood. Your husband will be happy, you will be happy, your inner chamber will be happy. So enough of it, guys. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into this video. But before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with your family, share it with that sister, so your husband as well can also take this drink. It's not limited to the women alone because of the ingredients I'm going to use to come up with this recipe. If you haven't tried this recipe, seriously, you are missing out. So sit back right there and make sure you watch this video to the end, so you will know the process of coming up with this drink. So without further ado, let's head straight to the kitchen. Let me show you how to come up with this recipe. So I'm going to start by introducing the ingredients we are going to be using to come up with this drink. The first on our list is watermelon. This is a frozen watermelon. So watermelon contains amino acid citrulline that is very essential and beneficial. It acts as natural Viagra. So the next on our list is tiger nut. Seriously, if you haven't tried this recipe, you are really missing a lot. Tiger nut contains lots of nutrients that is beneficial. It helps to boost your immunity, it helps to fight infection, it also helps to lower blood sugar levels. And the next on our list is coconut. So I bought this coconut and I got the flesh out of the coconut. So coconut is so nutritional as well. It contains antioxidants, it contains properties, minerals, vitamins. And the next on our list is dates. So I soaked this date for a few hours. Date is a natural sweetener. It contains fiber, it contains antioxidant that helps to fight disease and infection. So make sure your date is very soaked. And the last ingredient I'm using is coconut water. So the first process we are going to start is by getting out our milk. So to get out the milk, we are going to go ahead and blend our dates. So I'm blending with water. So depending on how tasty you want your drink to be, you can still go ahead and add in more water. So at this point, we are going to go ahead and add in our coconut. So the next is to add in our dates. So I added it with the water as well. Make sure to remove the seeds in order to avoid crashing your blender. But if you have a very strong blender, just combine the 3 ingredients together, the coconut, the tiger nut and the dates. Just combine it together, add it enough water. So when you are done blending it smoothly and nicely, just go ahead and use your sieve to strain out the milk. So because I'm using a smaller sieve, I will have to strain out the milk up to 3 times. So this is the milk we got. This milk is very, very tasty, very, very yummy. You can as well take this recipe this way. It works wonders in boosting men's sperm count. So we are going to go ahead and make our drink. So guys, our drink is ready. So you don't need to add any additional honey to this recipe because I added dates. Dates is a natural sweetener on its own. So if you have ice cubes, just drop in few ice cubes into this drink and enjoy. So but for me, I'm going to store it in my refrigerator at least for 20 minutes because this drink is best taken chilled. Then it will be so enjoyable. So as a man, this drink will help to boost your performance. It will leave your joystick standing attention every morning. As a woman, it will help you to get rid of dryness. It will put you in that mood. It will also help to boost your ovulation if you are looking to conceive. It also helps with men's sperm count. It also improves digestion, improves your immunity. Very beneficial. You can store it in your refrigerator for at least 3 days. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I appreciate you all for watching this far. God bless you all, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, drop your comments below. If you have tried out this recipe before, how was it like? Was it effective? Was it beneficial? What was your experience? I would really want to know in the comment section below. And if you do try this recipe, I would also want to know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so very much for watching, and bye bye. See you in my next one.